job, buddy.
Yeah, good job.
Fucking did it. The weekend here at Finke's going pretty good. Everything's going according to plan. We've pulled off top spot in prologue, and we happen to be the first ones down here to Finke. We got to play it safe and then get back down to the other side.
Toby Price is our first vehicle on track for day 2 at the Finke start line, departing at 7:15 a.m. with a lead of 7 minutes and 44 seconds.
Fucking get her done, brother.
3, 2, 1.
Update from the Mount Squires checkpoint. Toby Price continues to lead, maintaining a 7-minute 40-second gap over number 91, Jack Rhodes.
Okay, go up a little, and then I'll move the power right. Go ahead. Right. Okay, go up a little.
You feel that grind? Yeah. Fuck. We broke something, dude. Fuck.
Keep cruising. There might be a break or something. Pull off. Motherfucker. Piece of shit. Underneath. Have a look underneath. What's happening underneath?
The Bundoomer checkpoint has shown Jack Rhodes now leading. Toby Price has yet to pass the checkpoint and register a time.
Fuck it. Just pull over. God damn it. It's done. Fuck! Motherfucker.
No more. Rear end let go. Fuck.
Good job. We're on it. We're doing good.
Yeah.
A good.
You did everything you did everything right. Don't. I know it's frustrating.
All good. Don't know what to say. Man, that's a kick in the face right there. It's 7.5 minute lead, and I didn't even see the friggin' over rev RPM lights and nothing come on. It's just, man, that kicks you in the face. It's Finke keeps beating us at the moment, so it's that was our chance. I pretty much think we might be one and the only, but we gave it a good hurry up. We got a lap record getting down there, so it's still not the point. We need to be at the finish line, and we're just not doing that. So it's don't know what to say. Don't know what to do. It's crazy. Shoot out. over watching bikes go by, over watching cars go by at the moment. Just can't make the friggin' finish line. I don't know, this thing's just beating me at the moment and it's getting quite frustrating. It's all part of racing and motorsport. We'll make sure we're back bigger and better again, and we'll try and chase that double one. We know we can win that truck class and win outright, and we'll try and chase that bike win in the same year as well. Can't wait to be back here in 365 days, so it should be good.